My name is Valerie. My role at the Kintz Group is a performance coach. I help support the platform. I've worked for the Kintz Group for about a year and a half. Loved it every day.
My name is Nicole. I am a performance coach for the Kintz Group. I have worked at the Kintz Group for 6 years.
My first impression of Tim Kintz was stern, but he cared a lot, and I think that's still accurate.
My first impression of Tim Kintz was that he's a relatable, down-to-earth guy.
My experience working at the Kintz Group has been great. I mean, it's changed my life in so many ways. I think Tim is very, very generous, not only in work, but in my personal life, and it's been a really great experience so far. He cares a lot, and I think that floats over to the team as well, so it's been great.
My experience working at the Kintz Group has been, I get to work with salespeople and managers, and I build relationships with them, and they become my friends, and I get to see people grow and succeed and get better every day.
I would describe the sales and management training as educational, but fun and motivating. I think Tim is really great at motivating the staff. I think he's really good at keeping his content relevant. He's always in the dealership, so if there's anything that's not relevant anymore, he's re-recording that content in the studio that we have in-house. So it's been really great. It's good.
I would describe Tim Kintz's sales management training. It's very process-oriented, where it gives you step-by-step and easy-to-follow process that you can do every single time with every single customer.
So I think something that no one knows about Tim Kintz unless you work for him is if Christy's watching his wife, it's that he's super considerate and generous, and he really does care about his staff. If she's not watching, it's his extensive Air Jordan collection that he has in office.
Something no one knows about Tim Kintz is really how much passion he has and drive to really help people and make an impact on their life.
I think what the most successful dealerships are doing in training is caring about their staff and really making sure that they are doing the training. They're keeping their sales staff accountable, especially with training, and I think our training specifically is helping them out with that. I think that our training is relevant. I think our training, keeping the fun and putting it back into the dealership, that fun and competition. And I think just keeping up with it and making sure that they have those good performance coaches, which is something that our company specifically offers performance coaches to check on the team, to make sure that we are coaching the team. And I think when you care about your staff in that aspect, it really does show and it bleeds onto the rest of the team.
Some of my most successful dealerships, the major difference is that middle management involvement, where they're bought into the training and they're having consistent group training meetings with their salespeople on a daily or weekly basis, and they're practicing and role playing with their team consistently to help them grow and get better.